unboxing unboxing plushies. Okay, so first we have, thank you by the way at Eunice and Tita Tess. So cute. I have one more, but let's cut this first. Get out, out, out. I'm sorry. Should I put this? Oh, how about here? Okay. So, you have this. She's a bit, she or he, I don't know. It's a baby. Oh. That's all baby.
Doon pala sa trainers training.
It's a plushie and a keychain.
Nagtanong ako kay Ma'am Jane kung pwede pang magpahabol. Kaya lang, hindi na lang daw yung available na
Next to the neck. So,
wala bang pwede dyan sa yung mga trainer?
it's cute. It's a keychain too.
Eran.
So this is now a duck. I don't know. It's a duck. It's called pink.
Nagpahabol lang ako ng iba.
So cute.
Base dun sa comment ni
Thank you, Tess, and thank you, Ate Yoni.
So, inuna ko yung team niya, magpasok ng... Kaya inuna ko sa kanya magpasok sa team niya.
Thank you.
Kasi, ano lang naman siya, trainers na, if ever naman yung mga training, kung sino yung mag-train niya. Kasi parang requirements yung sa ISO, kapag trainer ka,
So, bye-bye. Then the talk.